Have you ever dreamed of flying, unbound by the physical laws of our world, exploring realms beyond our daily realities? Today, we delve into an extraordinary phenomenon that has intrigued humanity for centuries: astral projection. Astral projection is a term coined to describe an experience that some people report having, where it feels as though their consciousness, their self, has left the confines of their physical body. It's as if they are viewing the world from a different, ethereal perspective. They're not just dreaming, they're traversing an unseen dimension, unhindered by the physical limitations we are so accustomed to. Imagine floating weightlessly above your body, observing your physical form from a vantage point that defies logic and understanding. Picture yourself visiting distant places in the blink of an eye, not through the lens of a camera or the pages of a book, but as if you were truly there. Envision encountering entities, energies, or consciousnesses that we don't meet in our everyday lives. This is the world of astral projection, as reported by those who claim to have experienced it. The experiences recounted are as diverse as they are fascinating. Some speak of exploring celestial realms, interacting with otherworldly beings, or even coming into contact with departed loved ones. Others describe a heightened sense of awareness, a profound sense of unity with the universe, or deep spiritual insights that they carry back into their waking lives. Yet it's not all cosmic journeys and spiritual revelations. Some accounts delve into the darker corners of this unseen dimension, recounting experiences that are unsettling or even terrifying. But across the spectrum, whether awe-inspiring or unnerving, these experiences challenge our understanding of consciousness and reality. While these experiences may sound fantastical, some intriguing scientific studies might provide a more grounded explanation. So, join us as we take a leap into the unknown, exploring the science and the stories behind astral projection. After all, who knows what we might discover in this unseen dimension? So, what exactly does science have to say about astral projection? Well, it's a question that has intrigued researchers for decades. While the experiences of astral projection are profoundly personal and subjective, science has attempted to interpret them through a more objective lens. A handful of studies have taken an interest in this phenomenon, and their findings are rather intriguing. Some researchers have used functional brain imaging technology, such as fMRI and EEG, to study the brain activity of individuals who claim to astral project. What they've found is that during these experiences, certain unique patterns of brain activity emerge that aren't seen during normal waking or sleeping states. For instance, there's increased activity in the right hemisphere of the brain, particularly in the areas associated with self-awareness and spatial orientation. This could potentially explain why those who astral project often report a heightened sense of self and an ability to navigate through space in ways they can't normally. But the plot thickens. Some theories suggest that astral projection may actually be a form of lucid dreaming or an altered state of consciousness. Lucid dreaming, as you may know, is when someone is aware they're dreaming and can control their actions within the dream. It's been suggested that the vivid out-of-body experiences reported during astral projection may be a particularly intense form of lucid dream. This would make sense if we consider that during both astral projection and lucid dreaming, similar areas of the brain are activated. However, it's important to note that this is still a theory, and more research is needed to confirm or refute it. In short, the scientific perspective on astral projection is a complex one. It's a field that's still in its infancy, with much left to explore and understand. Nonetheless, these studies and theories provide a fascinating glimpse into the potential capabilities of the human mind. Although the scientific understanding of astral projection is still evolving, these studies offer a fascinating glimpse into the potential capabilities of the human mind. While there are believers who swear by their astral experiences, there are also skeptics who question its validity. In every field of study, there's a dance between belief and skepticism. This dance is particularly intricate when it comes to astral projection. Critics argue that astral projection is nothing more than a psychological phenomenon, a product of the mind's extraordinary ability to create vividly immersive experiences. They point to scientific studies that have explored the role of brain functions in creating out-of-body experiences. These studies suggest that certain patterns of brain activity can induce sensations that mirror those reported in astral projection. Some critics even propose that astral projection might be a form of lucid dreaming, or a hallucinatory state induced by altered brain chemistry. But let's not forget the other side of the coin. There's a vast community of individuals who, despite these skeptical views, find the experiences of astral projection to be deeply meaningful and transformative. They describe it as a spiritual journey, a gateway to self-discovery and enlightenment. They talk about sensing a profound connection with the universe, about perceiving realities beyond the physical realm. Proponents often discuss the transformative impact of these experiences, how they've led to personal growth and an enriched understanding of their place in the cosmos. For them, astral projection isn't merely a quirk of the mind, but a genuine spiritual experience that transcends the material world. This dichotomy between skepticism and belief is what makes the exploration of astral projection so intriguing. It's a frontier where science and spirituality overlap, a space where we grapple with the mysteries of consciousness. It's worth noting that neither belief nor skepticism is inherently wrong. Both perspectives offer valuable insights. Skepticism encourages rigorous inquiry, pushing us to investigate and understand. Belief, on the other hand, opens us to possibilities, allowing us to explore and experience. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, the exploration of astral projection presents a captivating journey into the depths of human consciousness. We've journeyed through the scientific exploration of astral projection, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue and mystify. As we've seen, this concept, often described as an out-of-body experience, has captured human curiosity for centuries, yet remains enigmatic and elusive, even in the face of modern scientific scrutiny. We've delved into the studies that have sought to shine a light on this phenomena, using tools like functional brain imaging to capture patterns and activity associated with reported astral projection experiences. Some of these studies suggest that specific brain activity patterns might correlate with these experiences, while others argue for more psychological or neurological explanations. The intriguing balance between skepticism and belief is perhaps one of the most fascinating aspects of astral projection. On one hand, there are those who firmly believe in the existence of this unseen dimension, often attributing it to spiritual or metaphysical realms. On the other hand, there are skeptics who insist on empirical evidence and rational explanations. This interplay, this tension between the seen and the unseen, the known and the unknown, is part of what makes the exploration of astral projection so captivating. So, where does this leave us? Well, the journey is far from over. The exploration of astral projection, like many areas of human consciousness and experience, is an ongoing endeavor, a quest for understanding that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and challenges our preconceptions. Whether astral projection is a spiritual journey or a mind's flight of fancy, it undeniably opens up fascinating possibilities. The beauty of this exploration lies not only in the potential answers, but also in the questions that it provokes, in the mystery that it preserves. So as we continue to delve into the intriguing realms of the human mind, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the intriguing realms of the human mind.